Whew. That truck lost a tire. Whew. That truck lost a tire and those guys slammed on their brakes, man. Whew. Alright. Man, that's like the second time now in the past couple weeks that a tire has come at me on the freeway. The other time it wasn't on the bike. I was driving one of my friend's car. I was driving my friend's car. He was in the car too. Anyway, we were going wherever, I forget, and it was dark out, and we were in either one or two lanes to the right of the carpool, and I think somebody in the carpool ran over a tire and it shot it out into our lane, and it kind of clipped the front left corner of the car. And I've sort of been thinking about it since then, going like, damn, if I had been on the bike, what would I have been able to avoid it? Anyway, that'll get your heart going a little bit. Alright, back on our way. And look at these houses, man. Holy shit. I don't think I've ever driven down here before, but